Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to send a nudge in TikTok. If you want to grab someone's attention or remind them to respond to a message, the nudge feature can come in handy. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Inbox to access your TikTok messages. Then, select the desired account or chat where you want to send a nudge. Step 3. Look for the slider located above the input menu within the chat. Tap on Nudge to send a nudge to the recipient. By sending a nudge in TikTok, you can gently remind someone to respond to your message or draw their attention to an important conversation. We hope this guide has been helpful in learning how to send a nudge in TikTok. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching and enjoy enhancing your messaging experience with the nudge feature in TikTok.